In this video, I'll show you how to use the AI Summarize command. This command summarizes your text by highlighting the main points in a clear and brief way, making it easy to understand the important information quickly. AI Summarize works within chat conversations, ticketing, and the knowledge base. Here's how it works. When you're in a conversation or responding to a ticket, click the / icon at the bottom left corner of the chat screen, then select the AI Commands icon. Choose AI Summarize from the list of commands, type or copy the text you want to summarize, and press Enter. The command will automatically provide a summary of your text, highlighting the key points without missing any important details. To use AI Summarize in the knowledge base, start by creating an article, add a new paragraph, enter a /, click the wand icon, and select AI Summarize, then enter the text you want to summarize. The command will generate a concise summary of your content, making it easier to grasp the main ideas. For further instructions on how to use this function, please visit our AI Assist Academy or schedule a call with an AI Assist specialist today.